вас просто такой футбольный бум настоящий. Ваша сборная повысила очень уровень своей игры. И можно сказать откровенно, что после конференции в прошлом году с новым президентом пришел такой новый ветер и новый импульс. И футбол в Казахстане развивается благодаря тоже хорошей коммуникации между нами, между УЕФА и футбольной федерацией. И мы очень рады и будем всегда помогать в этом развитии дальше.
Atmosphere was fantastic, especially the songs at the beginning. You could see everyone is cheering, the many flags. It's amazing to see a nation like Kazakhstan with their footballers performing so well and getting points, even against very strong opponents like Denmark, for example. Today it was not enough, but I believe there's a big future. And I think what makes Kazakhstan very strong is they have very many individual good players, good quality, but they also work as a team. And of course, today it was visible. 30,000 people helped them also to get closer to the 3 points. I enjoyed it very much. Yeah, it was a very great experience, and I'm happy to come again.